Hello, this is Doug Brook at NorthStar DHI Services. Today we're going to be looking at left herd and do not breed remarks, keeping track of that information within the PCDART program. I will go to my input desk and I will choose left. Cow number 3369 I just sold yesterday. I'm going to apply that individually. The reason I sold her was because of reproductive reasons. Now I want to be able to put in remarks. So once I click on that magnifying glass, I say select a file. I have already created a new set of remarks called left cow reasons. Down here in the content box, I have filled in reasons why cows leave the herd for like foot and leg splits, low production, high CC, repro, metritis or calving injury, or just plain injury, skid steer. There are some other reasons under died for bloat, hardware, hemorrhage, died in the stall. We can key anything in this box. If I wanted to say lead projectile, then I can add anything I want to that. I will save that. I'm going to make this my default set remarks right now and then say OK. When I go into the remarks for this left cow, she had metritis and she is still an open cow, so we are going to sell her as repro reason, and metritis is the remark. Then once I say done, she now has left the herd and has that remark in if I want to go back and take a look at that remark. Another thing we can do within the repro recheck, when I decide to call a cow do not breed, I may just want to call that cow a do not breed. What I'm going to do is make sure I have in my assigned health conditions a new health condition, which is going to be number 59. We are going to call this do not breed, DNB. So I have to set up a health condition within my health conditions for do not breed. When I go ahead and put in a vet check information, I also want to put in a health condition for do not breed, so I can put some remarks in. To do that, I'm going to define chain events. Once I get in the input desk and I set up define chain events, I'm going to click on repro, which is vet down here, and then health condition. I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to save it as my button number 6 because I have some other buttons already set up. So then I say OK. Once I go and choose my vet health, I'm going to have my cow number 3758 apply individually. She is going to be a do not breed cow. I've decided I won't breed her again. Once I say done, I'm going to choose my health code, which is number 59, do not breed. Did I treat her? No. And my remarks, I need to go to the magnifying glass here on the right side of the remarks, select a file. I've already created a new file called DNB for do not breed. I've put some reasons for do not breed in the contents. I'm going to make that my default file right now, say OK. When I say cow number 3758 is a do not breed cow, I don't want to breed her because she has a very high somatic cell count. Then we say done. So that is a way within the PCDART program we can keep track of more specific reasons for why cows leave the herd and why we have designated cows for do not breed. This is Doug Brook at NorthStar DHI Services. Thank you.